class. Today we shall learn about time and space. So please bring out your binders. Hey, Dark Hammer Bro. Are you chewing gum?
No. I'm not chewing gum.
Then what are you chewing?
It's ice.
Dark Hammer Bro. Enough is enough. That's could break teeth. That's it. Go to the principal's office right now.
Hi, Dark Hammer Bro. Why are you crying?
Mr. Dallas sent me here because I was chewing ice in class.
Dark Hammer Bro. You know chewing ice can break your teeth. That's it. You're suspended for 50 days. Go home now.
Dark Hammer Bro. We can't believe you were chewing ice in Mr. Dallas in class at school today and got suspended for 50 days. That's it. You're grounded for 850 months.
Go upstairs to you and go to the room right now. And don't even think about leaving your room until dinner time. Or else you will be sent to Malaysia from Kuala Lumpur.